This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You've already chosen a compatible drive and tools. Now start. Power down, unplug, and ground yourself so you don't fry components. Remove the side panel and locate empty 2. 5-inch, 3, 5-inch bays or the M2 slot. Inspect standoffs and screws. Once done, align the drive with the bay or M2 socket. Make sure connectors face the cable side. If installing a SATA drive, have a spare SATA port and power connector ready before you mount anything. You're ready to fit and connect the drive. For SATA drives, slide into the bay or bracket and fasten screws. Plug the SATA data cable into the motherboard, then the power cable from the PSU. Order matters for convenience. For M2 NVMe, insert at a slight angle, push down and secure the screw. Make sure the heatsink or thermal pad will clear. Once connected, tidy cables so airflow and fan operation are not impeded. Then close the case and reconnect power. You're at the finish line. Power on and enter BIOS to ensure the system detects the new drive. Change boot order only if installing an OS. Once booted to your operating system, open Disk Management or equivalent, initialize the disk, create partitions, and format with NTFS or XFAT depending on use. This makes the drive usable. If the drive doesn't appear, receipt cables, try a different SATA port or power connector. Update chipset storage drivers, and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.